I made this lamb leg roast in my oven today. This is tender, juicy, and so delicious. You can make it simply at home using your oven, and they will come out great. I have used some spices here and some techniques which locks the moisture in, and the end result is really yummy. Now I have one lamb leg here. It's around 2.5 kilos. Now, your meat should be good quality, but there are some other things which are really important, such as making good cuts. I have made some big cuts on the fat so that everything can go inside. And now I'm preparing the marinade, for which I'm using some salt, black pepper powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and some other dry powders. Everything is here. I'm just giving it a stir. And now I'm going to add some crushed garlic. We are going to put garlic in two ways here. One is crushed one in the marinade, and we will also use some cloves. Next goes in lemon juice and some vinegar. Both these ingredients will help your meat to get tender and really juicy. Finally, some oil, and now after mixing, the marinade will be ready. So this is a simple marinade, and we haven't used much chili in it. It was just paprika. Okay, so this is my lamb leg which I have cut. It's time to brush it with some marinade. You want to make sure that you put this mixture all over the meat, and the cuts that you have done beforehand, you want to make sure that the marination goes inside. If you do that extra step, your final result will be very good. I have turned it over and the marination goes on the other side as well. Every bit of piece should get the marination. Then you gotta rest it for few hours, 6 7 hours. I have left it for 6 hours, and now I'm preparing the bed, for which first I have taken one big onion which I have sliced and 8 garlic cloves. To that I'm adding some other whole spices, and all these whole spices will make your roast really nice and aromatic. At the same time, if there is any bad smell on the meat, or if you don't like that meaty smell, it will get rid of that. So that's the bed where my meat is going to sit, which was marinating for 8 hours now. If you like, you can leave it overnight. That will give you even better results. I'm putting all the marination here, whatever was left, and brushing it for one final time. And now it will go on the oven, but before that, I really want to wrap it. So first, wrapping it in some parchment paper. My parchment paper was a little bit on the smaller side. If you have a bigger one, that's even better. Once it's wrapped in parchment paper, I wrap it in foil, and I double wrap it to make sure no juice or water from the meat can come out. We really want to lock all the moisture in, and that's why all the effort. So there is three layer of wrapping, and now it looks much better. It's ready now. So finally, I'm gonna put some plain water on the tray. This is not hot, just room temperature water, and the steam from this water will really help your meat cook very well. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and now I'm putting it in for 4 hours. Now the timing will vary from oven to oven, so it can take anything from 3 to 4 hours. And my meat is all ready, and I hope you can see the steam coming out from it. It's just freshly out from the oven. Today I have prepared some Persian rice which I'm going to serve with this meat, and that's all for our dinner. This meat comes out really tender because of all the spices used in it, and you get a little bit of gravy from onion and the juice that has came out and was locked in. So I'll show you the final result. It's just coming off from the bone. It's very tasty, and once you make it, you're gonna want to make it again and again, and your guests will think you have put so much effort in it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye for now.